Why should there be dead wood in a forest?
Well, dead wood is food and shelter for a big variety of wildlife. Ideally, there should be dead wood of different ages and different stages of rotting, some that's almost completely rotted and some which is just maybe newly dead, because every different stage of decay you'll get different forms of life feeding off that wood, um, and um, and then eventually, of course, it'll crumble into the soil and become part of the soil. Um, but it's not just a source of food for different insects, but then there are different birds and invertebrates and animals that will feed off that. I mean, badgers, for example, will eat just about anything. They'll eat beetles quite happily. So again, it adds to variety, and the more variety is, the more food there is, the more different creatures can live there. But as well as food, it's also shelter. Birds will build nests in there, hedgehogs will build burrows in there, mice and so on will live in that sort of place. So it's quite important. And a pile like that could have a lot of different functions for a lot of different creatures. But even just something a log lying on the ground would be useful. It doesn't have to be in a big pile at all.